The biggest challenge in building a website is often the starting point and inspiration. That's where the gdocweb templates come into play. There are currently 6 templates we offer out of the box. You can see all of our templates in the home page and copy them or build your own. The first is the documentation template that lets us write documentation for a project. Think about it like an instruction book you can write. In this template, I chose to use the adaptive theme, which makes it change modes between light and dark mode. I also used the side menu in this case, which is very convenient when looking at online documentation. It fills the role of a table of contents. Below we can see source code pasted from the developer environment. It is common to show code listings when writing documentation. This is always a challenge as the listing formatting might break. In this case, all we had to do was paste the code from IntelliJ IDEA. The result looks good in docs and in the site. The subsection pages are just copies of the same page. There isn't much content there. Here we can see how the documentation can be divided along 2 levels, which is a useful feature. In light mode, everything is instantly transformed, although syntax highlighting remains the same since it's explicitly styled. The following documents are selected as part of the template. Notice that the 2 subsections are marked as submenu here and not as top level. In the theme, we explicitly select the vertical sidebar instead of the default horizontal menu. As I mentioned before, the adaptive theme is used for changing dynamically between light and dark modes. If we just finish here, then we already have a decent document file. However, the main text will come out as black on dark background. The solution is to explicitly set the foreground color to white when running in dark mode. Once we do that, we can finish the wizard and generate the template correctly. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos for more advanced usage of gdocweb and let us know if you have any further questions or requests. We're constantly working on new features and would love to hear your thoughts on this. A like and subscribe to the channel will also be appreciated. Thank you.